The boxing match. Lynn and her grandmother, Lucy, are at a bar watching a boxing match.
I'm leaving after I finish my drink, Grandma.
But this is the most important match of the year.
I hate boxing. It's so boring.
No, it's exciting.
It's just two men fighting while wearing big leather gloves.
They're not just men. They're athletes.
They're just trying to win a stupid trophy.
Lynn puts down her glass and walks away.
Where are you going?
I'm going home to watch my favorite TV show.
The dating show about 20 men fighting over one woman? They don't even win a trophy.
No, but they're fighting for love.
Now that's boring.